Hi, my name is Nicole Cambises. I am the owner of a MaidPro franchise. I have 3 locations, one in Lancaster, one in Hershey, and one in Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. I currently have 50 employees that follow a very strict cleaning system for our clients. We have a 9-step kitchen cleaning system, we have a 9-step bathroom cleaning system, and a 6-step dry room cleaning system. And they need to perform that system every single time so that our consistency in cleaning is there. Our phone service is very, very important to us because we are a customer service company. We are a cleaning company, but we really are a customer service company. So it is very important and a cornerstone in our company when a client calls that a human answers the phone. The other important aspect of our phone system is our employees. We are in competition with many other companies right now for that amazing hourly worker. So once we get an application in, we are, in a race to who's going to call that person first. If our phone system is down or if our phone system is glitchy, it really hinders our company. My previous voice over IP company was glitchy. We would not get phone calls in, we wouldn't be able to dial out. So I was ready to just go back to the standard phone system. But then another franchisee from MaidPro suggested Ooma and that they were not having those problems at all. So I called up Ooma and I signed on with them. And it's been 5 years now, and it's been absolutely wonderful. I haven't had any glitches, any problems with my phone system. I hope that this lasts forever because they are problem-free and I really appreciate it. I have suggested Ooma to other franchisees who were suffering from another voice over IP company, and I said, go to Ooma, you're going to love it, and they do.